Let's add a YouTube video link to the homepage. So in Sublime, make sure index.html is open, and then copy the URL for a YouTube video you like. Then underneath the header 2, I'm going to add an A tag. A tags act as links. So to link to the YouTube video, I need to set the href equal to the YouTube video URL. So I'll just paste my YouTube video URL in. I'm just going to display the title of the song. Using an A tag lets the browser know that this is a link. The href attribute of the A tag indicates the target of the link. In this case, the URL to this YouTube video. Save index.html and refresh your homepage. Great, now I get this link. Click on the link. Awesome, we now have a link to a YouTube video working. Go back to your homepage. Right now, this link is opening the YouTube video in the same window as the homepage. I want the YouTube video to open in its own window, like this, automatically. To do this, go back into index.html in Sublime. Then after you set the href attribute, set target equals underscore blank. Save index.html and refresh your homepage. Click on the link. The YouTube video is now automatically opening in a new tab. The website that we're making will have social media icons. Let's get these social media icons onto the homepage. First off, go to your desktop and in your Learn App Code Project 1 folder, create a new folder, call it Images. Go to this video's resource section. Download these social media icons. Save them in your Images folder. To link to these Twitter, GitHub, and Facebook icons, I'm going to use an image tag. Open index.html in Sublime. So type img, then set the source equal to where your images are stored. And again, this is relative to where index.html is currently stored. So I need to go into the images folder and then link to each social media icon. So for the Facebook icon, source will equal images and then facebook.png. And I'll put the alternative text equal to Facebook. Copy this first image tag and then paste it below. The second image tag on line 23 will connect to github.png and then the alternative text will be GitHub. Copy the image tag one more time, paste below. This image tag source will connect to twitter.png. So change that like this and the alternative text will be Twitter. So save index.html and refresh your homepage. We now have these 3 social media icons displaying correctly. However, I don't want these to just be images. I want these links to take the user to my social media accounts. So to do that, we need to go back into index.html and surround these image tags with A tags. I'm just going to copy the entire opening A tag on line 17 and I'll paste it on line 21 and I'll just tab it in like that. Then I'll close this A tag below my Facebook image icon and then I'll need to change the href attribute to go to my actual social media page. So you'll have to change this to go to your page. So for example, it'll be facebook.com/learnappcode. We also need to do this for the GitHub icon and the Twitter icon. So I'll copy line 21, paste below, and this will go to github.com/learnappcode. And then I need to close that A tag. And then finally, on line 29, paste in the A tag again, and this will go to twitter.com/learnappcode. And I need to make sure I close that A tag as well. So just remember that image tags don't need a corresponding closing tag like most other HTML tags do. The image tag source is set to the path where the image is stored, as we did here. So these source links are correct and should work. Again, the alternative text is just displayed if the link is broken or as a part of accessibility for anyone who is visually impaired. Also, Google uses the alternative text of an image to help know what the image is. As a result, adding alternative text helps with the search engine optimization of your site. So we also made these images into links that go to the correct URL of your social media account. Save index.html, refresh your browser. I now have the icons for Facebook, GitHub, and Twitter displaying. Because I added an A tag around each image, there are also links. If you click on them, they'll take you to the href you set in index.html. The site's HTML structure is starting to come together. In the next video, we'll start working on the site's style.